Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 8 ways to keep weight off naturally. Losing weight is an accomplishment, but maintaining that weight loss is equally important for your overall well-being and health. Let's get started. The first way to keep weight off naturally is by maintaining a balanced diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients while avoiding excessive calories. Stay active every day to prevent weight regain. Engage in at least 30 minutes of physical activity, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Find activities you enjoy to make it a sustainable part of your routine. Swap sugary drinks for water, as it has 0 calories and keeps you hydrated. Drinking water before meals can also help control your appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake. Practicing portion control is crucial for weight maintenance. Be mindful of serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down while eating and savor each bite. Adequate sleep and stress management are often overlooked but essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Quality sleep promotes proper hormone regulation, while managing stress reduces emotional eating triggers. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to the taste, texture, and satisfaction level of your meals. This helps you connect with your body's hunger cues and prevents overeating. Having a strong support system plays a vital role in your weight maintenance journey. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage and motivate you. Finally, be consistent and patient. Sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Embrace a healthy lifestyle as a long-term commitment and celebrate small victories along the way. Thank you for watching our video on the top 8 ways to keep weight off naturally. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight is a continuous process that requires dedication and perseverance. Implement these strategies into your daily routine and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.